Helo a croeso I Clwb Gemau Fideo. Heddiw rydyn ni yn chwarae Half-Life 2.
Episode 2. Hwnna'n just an orange box, dwi'n gwybod pan fi'n dangos ti hwn.
Okay, felly... wait.
I mean dechrau.
Right, dechrau'r gem.
Chapter, let's just skip it and do it.
A ni ddim gallu.
Just safio auto, fi'n hoffi hwnna.
Felly, beth yw Half-Life? Fi ddim really gwybod llawer amdano fe.
Fi'n gwybod popeth am fe. Mae'n installment newydd mewn game da. Ti'n battle our creatures mewn y White Forest. Fi'n gwybod.
Cool. Na, fi'n gwybod popeth.
Fi'n chwarae Half-Life 1, but fi'n anghofio. O fi'n blynyddoedd efo'n chwarae fe.
Rise and shine, Mr.
Hello.
My name is Reed.
Rise and shine.
O hwnna'n fel famous mewn video games.
Not that I wish
Right,
to imply
wyt ti'n
you
gwybod
have
pwy
been
ydi o?
sleeping on
G-Man,
the
o
job.
Mystery Man.
No one is more deserving of a rest.
Hwnna'n ble fi'n
and
microwave
all
o meals
the
fi.
effort in the world
frying a
would
candle
have
help
gone
Rito
to
done.
waste until
Sure. As the ready meals. Lasagna.
let's just say
Doing
now.
a force just right now.
Lasagna, just like our forks, like...
Okay, serum
The
contest.
right man in the wrong
Oh, fi'n
place
blinko, ti'n gweld
can
hwnna?
make all
Fi'n
the
blinko. Fi'n
difference
blinko cyn fi.
in the world. So wake up,
Oh,
Mr.
I'm
Freeman. Wake up and
Electrons.
smell the ashes.
Right, hold on.
Right, so... Beep, ti'n chwarae now?
Yeah, be quiet. Point insertion. Anyway, chapter. Interact.
Let's get interrupt.
No matter how many times I've been relocated, I never get used to it.
Oh, hwnna'n like, okay, ti'n cael symud rownd, dyna gyda fe. Eisiau gwybod depression ti.
Oh. Ydy'n cael
My third
free...
transfer this year.
Ti'n cael transfer
Psycholo-
tri waith. Wel, fi'n cael transfer o'r erach, guess be. Nhw'n cael dim siocled fan'na. So, ti'n lwcus.
Whoa.
Well,
Ooh.
end of the line.
Fi'n clic o
Beth
fi.
yw hwnna?
A fi'n flash o'r photo fi. Creu mae hwnna'n fel legal, o fi ddim roi ti fel caniatadu cymryd chi yn fi.
Oh. No.
Ooh, hello, fi'n siarad i ti. Oh, fi'n cael...
It's all I have left.
Oh, be di yna? Mae gyda gwyneb
All right,
hod.
I'm moving. Jeez.
Oh,
Gmod. Mae efo'n Gmod.
yeah, mae'n popeth garage mod all fan hyn. Hey, oh no, fi'n stuck. Eh?
Ti di torri fe.
Oh no.
Oh, ti troi.
Fi big things that.
O, ti'n dweud...
Yeah, Bocs,
Ti'n
cyn
dweud
your
yn
friend
gynharach o'r ti eisiau rhywbeth I bwyta am vending machine. Mae'n ein fel
Oh yeah. Dwi'n mynd taflu fe, probably. Ti'n gweld di hyn?
Sut wyt ti'n dal hynna? Mae jyst o flaen ti.
Cheersio, dyna ti.
Pwys
Mae'n
ease.
fel, oh, ydi o. Ooh!
Pwys ease. Wyt ti'n gallu torri pethau? Yeah.
Yeah. Lyn,
Dr. Breen again? I was hoping I'd seen the last of him in City 14.
Dr. Breen. Mish sound about it, yeah.
Alright, ble ti'n mynd?
Fi'n follow metal mesh hyn. Mesh, you're actually correct here. Oh! Ti'n hyn.
Oh!
Dwi'n mynd talu gwrw beth efe, gwaith fi'n mynd.
Cer yn ôl cael fel siarad o gwydr yna.
Ie, fi'n cael hyn o fi. Ti'n yn dwy'n?
Oh!
Okay, fi'n sorry. Fi'n fel...
Da'n electrocutor ti.
Na, sorry. No,
Nova Process Cap.
so fi angen mynd mewn fan hyn? Oh, fi'n hold
Oh, yeah, roedd y drws yn agor.
No, okay, fi'n dod get ti. Please, electrical ti.
Dwi'n meddwl bod fath bod nhw'n electrocutor ti os ti just yn, like,
Did
go around.
Got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping! Oh, no.
Na, fi'n iawn.
Hynna ddim yn
Fi'n
edrych yn...
fi'n okay.
Hynna ddim yn edrych yn...
Hello? Back. Ooh, beth yw hyn? Ooh, lamp.
Oh, mae'n got a nice video game setup fan'na.
Oh yeah, boy.
O, erch yna.
Mae fi'n cymryd out.
Oh!
That beer I owed you.
Mae gyda
yay,
gwyneb.
friend.
Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa.
Mesa.
Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the
Fi'n
camera.
meddwl fi'n talu rhywbeth
I've been
ti
working
fi'n gwybod
undercover
ti.
with civil protection.
Wow.
I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind. on my
Fi'n mynd a really
eating
cool
quota.
joke. Ti'n barod?
Yeah.
Have a seat.
Yes, Barney, what is it?
I'm in the middle of a
Mae jyst i cyfadda i bod yn spy tu ôl i drws sydd fel o'r dena hynna.
Who's Tabby Pepper now? Ooh, bucket.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to
Oh,
Nova
yeah.
Prospect.
Helmet. We can protect it. Promise that.
I'm thinking,
Oh.
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here.
Hidden mission, we know.
Idea how to get him here.
As long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay.
100%.
Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well.
Right, beth sy'n actually digwydd fyny?
Great.
To see you.
Or last game, team fell work and ruin.
You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover.
Boop, boop, boop. Mas.
Book.
Pile up some stuff to get through that window and keep going till you're in the plaza.
Okay.
I'll meet up with you later.
Mae'n y ladder though. Pan
Yeah.
fi'n...
Just trwy'r randa.
fi'n gweld. So ti'n mynd lan y ladder wedyn build fe. He. Ha. Etio.
Assassin's Creed.
Leap of faith. Ooh.
Ww, dyn nhw'n
Mae'n dweud beer, but mae'n
Oh.
edrych fel tomato. Okay. Mae'n dweud beer, but mae'n edrych fel tomato ketchup. Being honest.
Brown sauce yn fy marn i.
Fi hi.
O,
Oh, mae'n load o. Beth ti'n meddwl am y game so far?
mae'n edrych yn diddorol iawn.
Oh, mae'n load o crank gyfer actually. Pan fe just mynd fi fel, wow.
Mae'n yn bod yn really here. Oh.
Oh.
Padlock. Wyt ti'n gallu neud rhywbeth am padlock yna?
No.
Oh, shining
Crowbar.
crowbar. Yeah.
Oh, mae'n 5 miles fi ti.
Yeah.
Doors. Beth fel for us hotels just soon drws. Ooh, bin.
Ooh.
Oh, fi'n cofio bit yna.
Mae'n fan.
Why has the
Fi'n pickle on a cannon. Okay.
seen fit to suppress our reproductive cycle?
Oh, fi'n cael achievement!
Defiance.
Oh, fi'n ffog.
Concern. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological
Pam oedd hyn yn y security check?
Have you ever neud unrhyw beth? Fi just care about... Oh, fi'n cael cannon ar
A security check oedd wyt ti gallu rhoi hyn mewn bin.
Ti unhuman.
Do our benefactors really know what's best for us?
O, mae'n yn y postal service.
Na, fi'n fan hyn.
It's a decision for mankind.
Oh, cool.
Will they ever deactivate the suppression field and let us breed again?
Na, fi sorry.
Pam maen nhw gyd mor...
Aggressive.
Dreisgar? Mi jyst dod lan... Ti'n edrych atyn nhw a mae'n dechrau hitio ti.
Every possible
Ni mewn sneak mode, mae'n gweld ni.
on voice. First, let's consider the fact that for the first time...
O, mae'n dod.
Gotta go fast. Oh, fi'n gifo lan.
Ie, mae jyst i
Wel, fi'n
anghofio.
gweld rhywbeth, so... Oh, lemonade.
Os wyt ti'n taflu digon o bethau out
Fi
o fe,
yn...
wyt ti gallu lladd.
Oh, mae hwnna'n llawn.
Wyt ti gallu lladd. Wyt ti gallu lladd fe os ti'n taflu digon o bethau eto.
Fi actually eisiau gweud bod pan dim digon o amser. Paco. Oh. Like, I chi'n gallu neidio fel fi gallu neud hynna.
Paid edrych ar yma. Then... O.
Mae fel... A fi ddim yn gweld unrhyw beth. Fi'n ffawr American yma, mae eisiau fel mae'n gwybod hi'n mynd. Dwi'n trwy hyn.
O, lasers, mae'n yn wastad yn dda. Ni jyst i cyrraedd y
Dim yn mynd fan'na. O,
O, mae'n un braf fan'na.
please fi'n get fan'na gyntaf.
Wyt ti gallu sprinto?
Na, dim eto. Fi'n mynd byd fe. Mae'n rhi arall. O! Maybe sa'n mynd trwy mewn I ti, ti'n gweld o'r drws fan'na?
Fi'n hoffi.
Just become aware
Would you really?
O, lawr fan'na. Mae'na alleyway fa.
cornered
Ie, mae'n gat fan'na fawls.
go down.
Turn ar.
Instinct would inflict a fatal injury on us. Instinct creates its
Oh.
own stressors.
Maen nhw'n scare fi, maen nhw'n fwy fel ffip o fam sy'n nhw'n neud e.
Instinct tells us that
Can't
we are
use.
bound
Unrhyw beth
Oh,
wrong
hwnna'n
with
make more sense.
O, mae'n rhywun.
Oh, bar! Oh, fi'n mynd mewn? No? Okay. Oh,
Stop.
Sorry.
Byddai'n gofyn, ti angen pigo rhywbeth ffynnu a rhoi mewn bin. A wedyn byddai'n
Oh, a
gwrando.
falle, if fi'n tai rhywbeth fe I
O,
distract
no,
fe.
mae'n ysgol fel afon
Oh, mae'n ysgol.
Ysgol.
Come run me.
Na. Lan. Neidio.
Wait.
Blina.
Oh, mae'n un a. Milo.
O!
Hynna'n useless.
Ddim yn gwybod beth yna. Dwi?
Falling damage. Oh, back ti ang...
O, ie, a cwmpl ar ochr.
So she didn't know if you have boxes and well.
Yay.
Oh. To girl, feed them and make you left a box on it.
Whoa. But then Zappity.
Huh?
Whoa, Majesty Zappity.
Oops.
Then Zappity Arad Rune and Scality ar un amser.
Barren hen. You mean fel parkour nu. Ah. Hey. We've got in your biff.
Efallai tri rhywbeth gwahanol.
Mhm. Oh.
Ffordd yna.
Hello.
This is how it always starts. First the building, then the whole block.
Oh,
Then
my
everything
van
comes
chat.
out of place.
Fi
Don't
fel.
worry,
Pam
they'll
fi ddim yn
find one.
siarad?
O, mae 2 person arall.
If you hen. Mae'n edrych yn dangerous.
O, mae'n dweud.
Dŵr.
Boop.
No,
Mae dwi'n off ti.
Sorry.
Os ti'n rhedeg am dy gnamser, byddai'n anghofio am ti.
I'm
Yep.
determined.
Mae'n anghofio am ti. O, drws, mae'n
O
drws.
na, hyn yn mwy hwyl.
Yep, fi'n cytuno gyda hynna.
O.
Wow.
Bydd ni'n trio ffordd. Ni mach chi...
Ie, bod yn rebel a mynd lan y slide.
Ni dim mach chi bod a... Ni mach chi gweld y slide a dim neud e. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh, most exciting peth. Ooh,
O, mae'n esgyd.
armor plus 1.
O, mae'n drws. Loch ar y drws gyda esgyd ti.
Oh, loader ato.
O, os mae'n load, mae Mel ni'n neud peth yn da.
Dwi'n dweud load o teen failure. Oh.
Load. End of game. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Right, ni gael cyclo.
I want to, right.
Beth oedd i'r chwyth fanna?
Oes.
Canol, rhywbeth fanna.
Ni'n golaf fi'n credu. Ti'n cael torch later in the game. Ooh, being boif now.
Toasty. Whoa, mae yna pobl fanna. Mae'n gyda lucky sticks. Yeah, arm myself too. Just carry, oh!
Oh! No. Ooh!
Oh, mae o gyda snazzy apartment.
Was that you?
Na, mae'n... Pam ti'n cael alcohol yn
We
brecwas?
still had a door.
Yeah, beth oedd yn neud hynna.
Okay, wait, hynna'n bleach.
Os ti just yn persweido, gyd o'r pobl yna, ie. Oh!
Ddim yn clear up. Okay,
Move along.
Can't take it anymore.
He's gonna be okay.
Oh, mae'n person ar teledu.
Diolch am y teledu.
Fi'n gwylio hynna. Fi'n gwylio hynna,
O,
Alex.
fi'n cael e. Pan na?
When is it all going to end?
Biff. Ti'n mynd rot o fan hyn. Being re-savage. Fi mae chi'n mynd lan star. O, ie fi am. Fi'n cael bolen Biff, though.
Oh, ie, ten.
In here.
Okay. Bye.
Head for the roof. There's no time to lose.
Okay.
I'r to. Mae'n dod. Mae'n neud stuff.
Bydda. Ooh, ti bach.
Attention residents. This block
Sir.
is contained.
Ah!
Yes, sir.
Quick.
Oh, hit on
Star. Star.
Oh, my loader ato. Fan I'm really governed for short
Yeah,
second.
ni'n really da hyn.
Yeah.
Mae'n gymaint o loadio. Mae just... Rydyn ni adbwynt
To
heddiw.
be fair, ni entire lot of perfect guards i making new graph. Ah! Make a goal in bit, I'm dig.
Just... Oh, well.
Come on.
Bloc o'r peth gyda un o'r boxes yna. Bloc o'r peth gyda... Oh.
Oh!
Fi fel ti fod wneud hynna.
Be confident. Just trust me. Oh, no.
Right, dwi'n mynd mewn nawr.
That's it. Edge, ti'n gweld y dodging hyn?
Na, fi
Mae'n
ddim.
actually... Ah! Haha!
Thank God.
Can.
So, ti ddim yn marw.
Being immortal. Ah! Weapon.
Oh, mae'n pethau fanna. Go. Oh!
Ah!
Whoa!
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, hit a really bad depth perception.
Whoa!
Oh! Oh, Darren. Leap of faith.
Right.
How save it, mate? Oh, Blair. Death.
Oh, I'm gonna APC.
Don't worry. Feed him in that.
How many horse bubble am I and taking it to knee?
Oh,
No, I'm gonna finish. Right, gonna. Need your man. Yeah, anytime.
Haha, malcontent.
Block or finish, got an inner box tomorrow.
Unlock.
Block or poppeth.
What? Tiny box Tim. A reference I.
Jang do the big.
Ah!
Oh
No!
god!
Farvanghauer! Oh no!
Jang and blocker here, I got a big box Barry.
Big spam. Oh, pain. Of his subtitles are just straight pain. My name is Jeff.
Oh, my person already do the active too.
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
No, Jeff.
Nah, Morgan.
I better hurry. The Combine can be slowed
Ah,
away.
Em
but
needs
once
to do a
they're up,
Combine,
You don't
like,
want to
well.
get in their way.
Oh, if I
This doesn't dig with your horse
Dr.
bubble
Kleiner
on.
said you'd be coming this
Oh.
way. I don't think it's
I drew a face
there.
there.
Not have a map.
Guess bit of night, I've been sticker neck mask on me.
Oh, done a big box Barry.
We can lift it back. Need mountain lift. Can't be mountain lift. Poyote.
I'm Alex Vance.
Oh.
My father worked in
Diolch am after fe.
I'm sure you don't remember me though.
Nah, teenage dull, unrememberable face.
Man, a few words, aren't you?
I've Nicky Ford your voice actor. Ooh. Explodey.
Yay.
Ah.
Remember
Man,
him
that
from
was
Black
snazzy.
Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen.
Ooh, Advina Dante?
Dr. Breen.
Through here.
Ah. Whoa. Spooky.
Oh, right, Maheen, Nara, and S.
Hunting Nate.
Funny, you showing up on
A
this day
red
in
letter
particular.
day. Doesn't make sense. Been in Goffin van hen, been in continue hen, with the arc and game da, been
This
in
way, Gordon.
Gorfe by disappear amount ear darkness.
Don't have to be Macquarie.
Diolch yn gwrando, fi bod yn Alex, hyn we bod yn person arall. Oh, Over.
Over.